So kindly check, are we live on Facebook or not? अभी नहीं है शायद. थोड़ा सा ना technically it's taking time. As soon as we reach live on Facebook and we will start our session. अभी उत्सव आप अपना कैमरा ऑफ कर लीजिए जैसे जैसे मैं नेम अनाउंस करता जाऊंगा. अभी
Okay, sir.
प्लीज टर्न योर कैमरा ऑफ. Am I audible?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, and क्योंकि थोड़ा यहाँ पर मेरा पीसी में कुछ हो रहा है, that's why. My internet connection is somewhere. Is the screen appearing on your screen or not? Admit all. Share in a group. Public speaking club. Next. So my camera is off or on?
Your camera is off, sir.
Off, okay. Just a moment. So we are 20 people available here and 21. There's still people are counting. As soon as I go live, just it's taking time because episode 4 online presentations. Now I'm just going live on the Facebook. on our group. Yes. So somebody may check, and I hope I'm visible and audible also. Yes. Hmm. Stop sharing. Yeah. So, am I visible
Yes,
and
sir. You
audible?
are.
Very
Yes,
good
sir. You
evening,
are.
everyone. Again, this is our fourth meeting for this webinar, and it's a wonderful webinar which is being conducted for the students, especially. In today's webinar, host was to come here, but unfortunately, there was some problem, so she is not present with us. But no problem. Our speakers are with us, and along with our speakers, our chief guest for this program is there. I welcome Dr. Virendra Sharma sir as a chief guest, vice principal of the Ellen City, uh, that School of Pharmacy, Ellen City University. So, sir, I welcome you on this program today for the students. I hope I'm audible. Sir, are you there? Okay, yeah, just a moment. I'll
Okay,
make you
sir. I'm here.
co-host. Yes, sir. Sir, you can turn your camera on. Yes. So, sir, I welcome you on this show today, on this program. This is for the students. This program is being conducted in your presence, and I want your permission to start the program.
Okay, sir. Really start and thank you to.
Thank you so much, sir. So,
Good
in our
evening, all of
today,
you. Good
Morning,
evening.
sir. Good evening, sir.
yes. So, in today's program, we have four speakers, and I think all four speakers are with us today. I will share again the
Yeah.
screen so that everybody will get to know who are the speakers. The first speaker is Aditi Rathore, the second
Yeah.
speaker is Deepak, fourth speaker is Yash, and
Yeah.
third speaker is Yash, and fourth speaker is Utsav. So I
Okay.
hope that all speakers are ready for today's program and today's webinar.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So
Good evening, all of you.
Good
I have
evening.
I have the privilege of being here among to all part of webinar. It is great privilege about to the myself. I would no take much of time for your time for talking about this because are gathered to listen the dear students. I am audible, sir.
yes, sir, you're audible.
Hmm. Really, this is the communication. Communication is very important for other sentences, and so you have to think big, aim high, and just remember to the God. There is a God who will help you if you help yourself, and you help yourself only through hard work. Results will come your way. Never ever, brother, about the results because there will be somebody who is first, there will be somebody who is second, but does not mean that they are the best. As I said, success is only temporary. Remember, they will come, and you work hard really. You are the communication class. Gaurav sir is always with us, and he is appreciating to me, and always he is appreciate to about the communication. Communication is important. This is a mid-term language, and this is the intermediate language about the yourself. All are joined.
Yes, we sir, all are there, and
I am very
thank you
proud,
so
sir.
much.
There are so many students of the myself, Deepak and Aditi is a very nice and do work. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and appreciation, and for these well wishes to our participants. So, without
Okay.
delaying, I would call first speaker Aditi Rathore with the topic mental health. Aditi Rathore, I would like to unmute you. Where are you? Yeah, yeah, you can unmute yourself. I'll
So am I audible?
put you in a spotlight. Yeah, you are audible. And all the very best, Aditi.
Thank you, sir. So I remember I had a friend who used to be like listless all the time. She was restless and she didn't used to concentrate much on her studies. It was around about 2 years ago, and she wasn't in a good health. मुझे पता था कि उसको थोड़ी उबासी या उदासी सी थी, कोई उसके फैमिली को उसने बताया, तो उसकी फैमिली ने कभी उसको इतना सपोर्ट नहीं किया कि कभी उसको सैडनेस हो। अगर आपको कोई चोट लगती है तो आप सीधे डॉक्टर्स को दिखाते हैं, लेकिन अगर आपको मेंटली कुछ हेल्थी नहीं होता है तो उतना कोई है ना बॉर्डर ही नहीं करता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस प्रेजेंटेशन। आई एम अदिति राठौर एंड आई tell you about the topic on mental illness. Let me just share my slide with you. So, mental health. During Corona time, many of us were like concentrating much on the mental health, because due to this lockdown, many of our people were not connected to each other. They weren't able to meet each other, and so many of them were like क्या बोलते हैं, अकेले से पड़ जाते हैं। ऑनलाइन में चेहरे से हम देख के बात नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो मेंटल हेल्थ क्या होता है? WHO, according to WHO, mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his own abilities, who can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. इसके मुताबिक कि मेंटल हेल्थ होता है कि कोई भी इंसान बिना वाला स्ट्रेस फ्री होए और बस एकदम अच्छे से अपनी लाइफ फ्रूटफुली एंड स्किलफुली अपनी लाइफ में कोई भी बिना स्ट्रेस लिए कोई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करे, और उससे है ना उसका क्या बोल सकते हैं सोसाइटी में कंट्रीब्यूशन भी हो। लेकिन ये है कि ग्लोबली कोई इसको इतना ध्यान नहीं देता है। तो मेंटल हेल्थ और मेंटल के बीच में लोग बाग मेंटल हेल्थ को और मेंटल इलनेस को एक ही जैसा समझते हैं, लेकिन ये ऐसा होता नहीं है। मेरी फ्रेंड को उसके लाइक फैमिली में कोई अगर हम बोले कि सुसाइड करने के थॉट्स आए तो बोलेंगे अरे क्या हो गया, वो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, कोई इतना सीरियस लेता नहीं है। लेकिन एक्चुअली डिफरेंसेस होते हैं मेंटल हेल्थ एंड मेंटल इलनेस के बीच में। What's the differences between mental health and mental illness? Mental health is all about mental wellness, which means you're stress free, you're positive, and you're thinking positively all the time. You do your things and you're happy, you're satisfied with what you have. Mental illness is a person who is diagnosed with a mental disorder, who has a certain problem to work mentally, or just like anxiety or depression. That's a mental illness. ऐसे कोरोना के लॉकडाउन के समय हमने बहुत देखा है कि लाइक फेस टू फेस ना बात करते हुए हम बहुत सारे लोग घर ही बैठे बैठे अकेले पड़ जाते हैं फोन में देख के. अकॉर्डिंग टू स्टैटिस्टिक्स, मोर देन 70% ऑफ द पीपल हैज फॉलन इनटू डिप्रेशन ड्यूरिंग द लॉकडाउन पीरियड, एंड दैट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग. Mental health, it's a big concern. Mental health, if not observed in time, it can cause frequent stress. आपके इससे ना फ्रीक्वेंटली स्ट्रेस हो सकता है, आप फंक्शन नहीं कर सकते आप डेली लाइफ में. आप मेंटल हेल्थ, अगर आप मेंटली हेल्थी नहीं हो पाओगे तो आपका काम ही नहीं हो पाएगा. मेंटल हेल्थ में लाइक आपको लाइफ एकदम डल सी लगने लगेगी और आपका वर्क you won't be able to work skillfully or you won't be able to give your 100% in your work. मेंटल हेल्थ को कभी ग्रांटेड मत लीजिए. Just like physical health, you need to take good care of mental health. There are many ways to take care of your mental health. And like, first of all, just sleep, getting more sleep, being active, then making a time for yourself, make it doing in a healthy diet, managing stress, and there are many more things that we'll discuss. Now, the global scenario. Globally, if we talk about mental health, nobody thinks much of their mental health. Mental health, they just think it's just a normal thing. But no, it's not. I had a friend who was like, she was depressed in a sense, you can say. She was like, she can't even, if she wanted to do some work, she used to feel dull. And whenever she used to talk about these problems to her parents or to family, they never used to take it too seriously. They said, just leave it. It's just a little bit thing. You'll just be fine after some time. But after some time, she used to get thoughts about suicide or about many like horrible things. Then she there for the treatment, when it got much serious, the family, they took her to the counselor to get a counseling about this, to get at that time the physicist said कि आपकी बेटी मेंटली हेल्थी नहीं है, उसको प्रॉपर अटेंशन चाहिए. आपकी फैमिली में या तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगी या कुछ स्ट्रेस या एंजाइटी होगी जो मेंटली हेल्थी नहीं रह सकती. And that's true. Mental, ऐसे क्या है? What's the thing? Mental health? Many people argue that mentally health is a bad thing, but there are many challenges in the society, like risking incidents or taking treatments. Not many people are keen on taking treatment for this mental health. Now, there are some many disorders we can observe this when we see a mentally illness. हम इसको ऑब्जर्व करके कभी भी आप देखें तो प्लीज इन साइंस को देख के प्लीज उनको बोलिए कि यू नीड टू टेक हेल्प, यू आर नॉट हेल्थी, you need to talk to each other. Like, there are many anxiety disorders like panic disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, then phobias, eating disorder. There are many people that they even live like वो लोग खाना ही छोड़ देते हैं, इतने मतलब हेल्थी नहीं होते, तो इच्छा ही नहीं होती, ऐसी होती है उनकी. then they get anorexia, then they get very ill, then they even get admitted to the hospitals. Then there's bipolar personality disorder, like at one time you're just a sweet person, but the next time minute you get very angry type, or you just get another personality, and the people get confused, who are you? Then PTSD, it's the post-traumatic stress disorder. It's the most serious of them all. This PTSD is often seen in the people who have been in the war, who are in the army, or they have suffered from very brutal situation and they cannot just shake that out of their mind. Then there's psychotic disorder. You like begin acting like psych, एक साइकोट में आप पागल ही हो जाते हैं. Then there is a thing that आप है ना बीच बीच में अपनी चीज भूल जाते हैं. Like you just forget some snippets and the parts of the memory, and you like आप है ना अपने साल के पीछे चले जाते हैं. Like one time you think you're 20 years old, next time you think I'm just a 5 years old and I need to behave like a 5-year-old. Now, according, there are many causes of this mental disorder. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही कॉज हो सकता है. मेंटल डिसऑर्डर में बहुत सारे कॉजेज होते हैं एंड यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ इट. लाइक आपकी जीन्स, फैमिली हिस्ट्री, मेंटल हेल्थ भी इट्स जस्ट लाइक जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर समटाइम्स. लाइक आपकी फैमिली में कभी किसी को स्किज़ोफ्रेनिया हो जिससे आप बीच बीच में स्निपेट्स भूल जाते हैं अपने मेमोरी के, वो फैमिली हिस्ट्री में आता है. देन आपके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस, लाइक कभी आपको बहुत स्ट्रेस हो या हिस्ट्री ऑफ अब्यूज जो स्पेशली चाइल्डहुड में हो, क्योंकि जब हम छोटे होते तो हमें वो बात स्पेशली एक एक चीज याद होती, कोई भी बुरी बात हो, कोई अच्छी बात हो. देन ट्रॉनोमेटिक ब्रेन इंजरी, कभी आपका बहुत बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हो और आपके ब्रेन में बहुत जोर से चोट लगे तो उससे भी आपको मेंटल डिसऑर्डर होता है. फिर क्या बोल सकते हैं, सीरियस मेडिकल कंडीशन लाइक कैंसर. दैट थिंग इज ट्रू कि किसी को भी कैंसर होता है तो वो मेंटली धीरे 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 बहुत डिप्रेस हो जाता है कि उनकी विल ही छूट जाती है कि वो I don't want to live. What's going to happen if I live more? I'll just get more treatments. I'll just get more chemotherapies. I'll just get more pain on living on the cancer. Like they just leave their will to live. And one more thing that's the most common of them all, like having very few friends, or many of them people isolate someone. Isolation is not a good thing, friends. You must never isolate a person because that thing causes a person to feel really mentally ill. That person feels depressed and all the time and they feel very sad. Now treatments, हमने कॉजेज पढ़ लिए, हमने उनके बोलते कंडीशंस कैसे अफेक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन ये मेंटली इलनेस जो है, मेंटल डिसऑर्डर, ये ऐसा नहीं है कि इसके क्या बोलते हैं ट्रीटमेंट्स नहीं हो सकते. हो सकता है ट्रीटमेंट्स. ये डिपेंड करता है कि आपको किस तरह के मेंटल डिसऑर्डर हो और कितना सीरियस हो. अगर आपको माइल्ड डिप्रेशन हो तो आप कोई साइकेट्रिस्ट से विजिट करें या कोई काउंसलर से विजिट करें. उनसे आप अपनी बात करके आप अपनी बात सुलझा सकते हैं. डेली ट्रीटमेंट ले सकते हैं, थेरेपी बोलते हैं. इफ यू नीड एंड सोशल सपोर्ट भी मिल सकता है. There are many things in the online. You can do many things on the online. You can go on the screen, share your hobbies. You can share many things on screen and you won't feel virtually lonely. Then there are some cases like severe mental disorders where you go psychotic or many things. You need to visit a doctor, take antidepressant. In the like late stages of depression, you need to take many antidepressants to like treat your depression. Then से बहुत सारे डिजीज होते हैं जिनके लिए अलग अलग डिसऑर्डर होता है. लाइक बट द मेन थिंग इज कि आप अपने आप को पॉजिटिव रखो और ऐसे लाइक अपने आप के ऊपर आने ही मत दो कि आप मेंटली इल बनो. यू नीड टू बी एक्टिव. मेंटली ट्रीटमेंट्स तो हो सकते हैं, लेकिन मेंटली आप डेली लाइफ में कैसे मेंटली हेल्थी हो सकते हो वो भी उसके तरीके होते हैं. इसमें से कुछ जो हम डेली लाइफ में कर सकते हैं हम मेंटली हेल्थी रहने के लिए, वो है गेटिंग मोर स्लीप. Sleep is the most important thing, guys. If you don't sleep well, you will feel sleep deprived in the morning. You'll feel like lazy and you won't get आप है ना कुछ सुबह इच्छा ही नहीं होगी आपकी करने की. Then making time for yourself by making like खुद के लिए, दूसरों के लिए करते हैं, देना है दो, but खुद के लिए भी काम करना चाहिए ना. You need to like do some hobbies for yourself to make yourself self-satisfaction. You just need to get self-satisfaction. Like, yes, I have did it. I can do more. You need to get more confident than being active. Playing more sports and being active in other activities, it gets you exposure to many things. And you will just get more connected to the people virtually as well as unofficial, virtually as well as with the people here without offline mode. then you need to manage your stress is the biggest thing now every people is facing. स्ट्रेस की वजह से बहुत लोग होते हैं जो डिप्रेशन से है ना, उनको डिप्रेस हो ही जाते हैं. स्ट्रेस से आपकी लाइफ बिगड़ ही जाती है. यू नीड टू मैनेज स्ट्रेस, यू नीड टू मैनेज लाइक whenever you feel stress, talk to each other, like getting help. You need to help, you need to take help from others. Don't take it on your ego, but whenever you feel like I can't do it, I'm really feeling lonely, I can't do anything, at that time you need to take help from other, your friends, your family, your teachers, your mentors, everybody is there. Then you need to make friends. They are also one of the part of their life. They shape up your personality. If you have good friends and if you have good influence of your friends, you will have a good personality. If you have bad friends, you will be badly influenced. You need to make good friends especially. Then you need to enjoy a healthy diet. A healthy diet means a healthy life. That's a saying. हेल्थी डाइट लेने से आपके मेंटली एंडोर्फिन्स, ऑक्सीटोसिन, ये सब हार्मोन्स टाइमली रिलीज होते हैं. इसके वजह से आप स्ट्रेस नहीं कम लेना चालू करते हैं बेसिकली, एंड आप बहुत एक्टिव भी रहते हैं. देन यू नीड टू सेट रियलिस्टिक गोल्स. ऐसे ऐसा नहीं है कि today I am just like giving you a presentation, next time I'll just share, I'll just become a politician, I'll just become a world president. No, think, dream big, but not that big that you won't be able to like do it for yourself. Dream ऐसे करो कि आप कर सकते हो. yes, you have the capability of doing dreams. ऐसे करो, ऐसे गोल्स रखो कि फ्यूचर में जाके यस मैंने ये करा है और मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. लेकिन ऐसे वाले ड्रीम्स नहीं करने की जरूरत जिसमें आप कुछ कर मतलब आप और डिप्रेस फील करेंगे. लेकिन ऐसे गोल्स अगर आप करोगे और फ्यूचर में ना हो तो आपको खुद को ही बुरा लगने वाला है. और बिगेस्ट थिंग आपको कॉन्फिडेंस, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज द बिगेस्ट थिंग. आप सेल्फ अपने आप में कॉन्फिडेंट रहोगे तो आप कभी भी मेंटली इल नहीं रहोगे. एंड जस्ट लाइक आई सेड, mentally ill, you just need to be mentally healthy to stay active. And thank you everyone. This is Aditi Rathod going off, and till I meet you later. Thank you.
So, Aditi, very well said. And you have drawn the attention towards the mental issues, because seriously, we people take physical illness on a serious note, but if we have some anxiety or stress, depression on our head, we are not that much serious. Even in our surrounding, people also do not consider all the things like that. So, and you have given even the suggestion what we should do, what we should avoid, and how we should uh, talk to the people and release our emotions and feelings. Thank you so much, very well done. In the same continuation, I will call our next speaker, and his name is Deepak. Deepak, I would like to call you on the screen, please. Now, yeah, thank you so much. I would ask you to unmute. And Aditi, you can turn it. Thank you so much. Yeah, I'll put
Thank you, sir.
on the spotlight.
Let me share my screen. Hi everyone, present over here. Hey guys, I am having something better for you. I hope it will gradually help you. So it's me Deepak Mahadule and I am having a topic personality development for my presentation. So what do you think about personality? Personality is a Latin word that is persona, and which means mask. And as we know, everyone, we can see in our daily life that we can really see that everyone is having a mask on it, their face, not the mask of COVID, but yeah, everyone is having a type of mask which they want to show to others. Like we can see, ये इसने मुखौटा पहन के रखा है, यानी ये अपने आप को कुछ अच्छा बताना चाहता है. He want to tell himself better. Personality can refer to a set of qualities that mask an individual look distinct from others. Yeah, in reality, personality shows us other person. Every each and every person likes to show that he is better than them or this. So, personality comprises a set of emotional qualities, attitudes, values, beliefs. Like values, in a way, we can say that is he or she is having how positive or negative towards his elders or towards his life. Beliefs beliefs, we can say that is he or she believing on god, or believes in democracy or hypocrisy. And yeah, communication skills is having a much further role in our daily life. If we are having a good communication skills, we can show ourselves more better than other, and other will also, and if we use good moral values there, so it will show others that yeah, he is good, he is having good personality. Personality doesn't means that you are having a good face or good look, but your emotions and your qualities should be also good. So how a person behaves or the way he acts in situation guarantees himself to be called a good personality. Like we can say, if we are in a situation, we are having an argument with anyone, and if he or she is shouting at us or me, I will give my example. If anyone is shouting at me, and if I respond to him, so then it will be my foolishness, because there I am losing my what we can say, I am losing my patience, and I am showing my bad qualities there. I should just not respond to it. I should the At that point I should just, yeah. One second. Yeah. So there I should not respond to him, but I should just be patient and hear, because it is said that it could be my mistake or not, but it will show my patience will also attract the other person, that yeah, he is listening to me what I am saying. Qualities of good personality. So positive attitude toward everything will enhance our qualities, will show our values, beliefs, and motivation and desire and feelings. These are the good qualities which shows our personality. Which personality is important? No, so sorry. Why personality is important? To deal with different individuals. Yeah, like in our daily life, we deal with many persons, and we can see in our college, in our schools, in our daily life, we go everywhere. There we need to deal with every person. So if we will try to have a nice talk with them, they will think that yeah, he is or she is a nice person. To enhance career perspectives, like to get promotions in jobs, there we need a good quality toward our upper poster. To cultivate flexibility, persuasion, compassion, and diplomacy, and to ensure competence in professional life. And yeah, I just said that if you are having good personality, you will be able to handle the situation more better. And there you can ensure that if you are having a good career, you need a good quality. Personality development benefits. So stress free and healthier life. If you are having stress free life, if you want to have stress free life, you need to be having good sorry स्ट्रेस फ्री एंड हेल्थियर लाइफ. इफ समबडी अगर कोई हम पे प्रेशर डालने की कोशिश कर रहा है और हमें अपने आप को अगर उस प्रेशर को हम अगर अच्छे वे में ले तो हम उस प्रेशर को ओवरकम भी कर सकते हैं. उस प्रेशर को ओवरकम करेंगे तो सामने वाला पर्सन भी हमें जब जब ही स्ट्रेस देगा और देना चाहता भी होगा तो वो ये सोच के देना चाहता होगा कि इसे ये शायद इसलिए इसे ये काम दिया जाए ताकि ये इस काम को और अच्छे से उसे पता है कि ये इस काम को अच्छे से कर सकता है, इसलिए वो उस इंसान को स्ट्रेस देना चाहेगा. तो उस चीज से भी अपनी पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट होती है. और पर्सनैलिटी डेवलपमेंट की वजह से अब हम अगर देखिए जैसे कि हमें ऐसी सिचुएशन में रख दिया जाए कि हमें तुरंत किसी चीज का डिसीजन लेना है, तो एट द सेम टाइम वी more of we can't do so, but person having good personality can take decisions politely and will have a good decision at a time. And yeah, it will also enhance our confidence level and more pleasing personality. And yes, we can say that a person having good personality, अगर किसी का रूड बिहेवियर है तो उससे कोई बात करना भी पसंद नहीं करेगा, लेकिन अगर कोई अच्छे से बात करता है सभी से तो उससे बहुत लोग बात करना पसंद करते हैं. So here I am having personality development tips. So be as positive as protons. Staying positive will help you overcome the toughness of challenge while attracting more positivity and opportunities. Here we can see that if you are having a challenge, so take it as a positive motive. If you are having a positive perspective toward it, you will have good behavior toward that challenge and you will get something more better. Not if you are not getting too good, but you will get something better. Be more passionate toward the work you are having. If you are having a passion of doing that work, it will definitely it will be successfully. Handle your emotions with care. Don't let your emotions take control of situation, but learn to get a read on them. Like if you are having some like if you are having किसी किसी चीज की भावनाओं में बहते हुए किसी चीज का डिसीजन ना लेना. Possess the quality of patience. Like I firstly described that if somebody is shouting at you, so you should just remain calm and cool and just listen to them. And with this, you will make a swift decision. You will think about what he is saying, and if you will you will also shout at him. It will make the matter bigger, and there will be not a good result. But if you are patient there, then it will be good for both the sides, and it will also show your good personality. Share a little and care a little. It's not like that, but knowledge you have, we should always share. Learn to be more compensative. The next time you or somebody else commit an error, let them off the hook without holding a grudge. Like if somebody has done any mistake, don't shout at him. Just politely request or ask to him that, yeah, you have done this mistake. Please, you can you just memorize it? Communicate effectively. Being creative in your communication, and you will see people respond to you better. Like if you are having a good communication skill, more pupils will come to you and will like to communicate with you. Like if you are using good words, they will like to hear you, and you will also and they will also respond to you in a better way. Be a lion in the face of danger. In the face of any adversity, stand up to the challenge will make your chances of survival higher. If you are having a challenge, if you are having any tough way, so don't move back. Just be confident and try your best. So it will give you a better chance, better knowledge you will gain, and I it can also help you in gaining success. So thank you. That's all from me.
Thank you so much, Deepak. Personality
Thank you, sir.
development, the most essential part of one's presence. As we all know that there are two kinds of personality, outer personality and inner personality. We all have been working upon our outer personality because of the surroundings we are covered by, we are surrounded by. At the same
Yes.
time, you have focused on some points which shows that really the inner personality is very much important and we should be working upon them. So that's true, we all agree to it. And again, in the continuation with the same program, my next speaker is Yash. So Yash, I welcome you on the screen. Please, where are you? Yes, I would ask you to unmute, and you're there. Yeah. So all the best, Yash. Go ahead with your topic. I'll put
Yes,
you
sir.
in a
Yes, sir.
spotlight.
Yes, sir. Just wait, sir. We are connecting.
Hmm.
It's a very good evening to one and all. Present here, Honorable Vice Principal, sir, and respected Gaurav Chaurasia, sir, and all my dear friends. Myself, Yash Runge from Allen City University, Pharmacy, and my topic is Changing India after 2014. As we know that India is a country of 130 crore experience and hope. Today, at present journey of developing India, we have moved away from ABC mentality, that is A for avoiding, B for burying, and C for confusing. Let's take the example of ease of doing business. In 2013 and 14, India ranks 142 in the World's Business Index. And now at present, India is at top 80 countries of the business index. This example shows us how fast the Indian market and business has grown up in last 5 years. This change is due to a new style of good governance that is visible in interesting ways. That is impossible is now possible. It was said that making a clean India was not possible, but the people of India makes it possible. Later on, Under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, the Government of India have launched the world biggest health scheme, that named Ayushman Bharat scheme, that benefits lakhs of poor peoples and persons who cannot afford costly treatment. This brings a major change in the history of the health sector in India. It is the historic moment for all the Indians. After 2014, hesitations have been replaced by hopes, obstacles have been replaced by optimism, and issues have been replaced by initiatives. The big changes that happens after 2014 are: the first one is fighting against corruption and black money. This is the main for all Indian because uh, the second one is one tax for all, that is of GST, that is goods and services tax. Third one is uh, d- digital India future, and fourth one is demonetization. Demonetization is done because of the corruption and black money, and fifth one is zero tolerance for terrorism. Now India has courage to take its revenge and actions against terrorism and to make our country safe. Let we take the example of surgical strike that took place in 2016 against the terrorist attack of Uri. Today, the world also finds its future in Indian economy. That is a very great opportunity for us to make our country develop. As we all are related to the field of medical, so let's talk about medical. The government of India has done a tremendous work during the COVID-19 pandemic. I want to give special thanks to my doctors, medical staff, and all the scientists and persons who work very hard during this pandemic. Make in India is a big initiative that started by the government of India for the people of India and the companies to manufacture in India. This is the example of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now India has chances of becoming global power of the world. The main changes that took place after the 2014 are abrogation of Article 370 that gives the right to the peoples of the Jammu and Kashmir. This is a very serious matter that has been of very long time. And the second one is the development of 100 new cities in India. The next one is the infrastructure along the LAC at the border of India and China. The next one is Swachh Bharat Mission, that is Clean India, in which and next one is the Empowering India. The Empowering India is means to develop companies and infrastructure at only in India and give jobs to the people of India. The next one is the Jan Dhan scheme, which helps the poor people to open their account by the banks. And the next one is One Nation and One Market. The One Nation and One Market gives the right to the farmers of the India to sell their goods at the rate at which they want to sell all over the country. This is a very good example of Indian market. At last, I want to say that with these goals in mind, let us rededicate ourselves to create a new India of our dream. At last, I want to give special thanks to Gaurav Chaurasia sir for giving me this golden opportunity to speak at this event. Very, very thank you so much, sir.
Oh, wonderful, Yash. Your
Very,
presentation
very.
is really very nice. And we all have seen the India after 2014. How has it grown? And Yash has really given one reminder to us because all we have been through this journey. And if some of us may have forgotten about this journey, so Yash played very important role in reminding us. Thank you, Yash. It was wonderful. With the same sequence, I would like to call upon our next speaker, Utsav. Please turn your camera on. And where are you? Yes. So I would like you to unmute. I'll put you in spotlight for everyone. Hmm. All the very best. You can unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Good mental health improves the overall quality of life. A very good evening to everyone. This is Utsav, a student of B.Pharm from School of Pharmacy. Today I am enlightened on the topic issues of mental health. Mental health is an integral and essential component of health. WHO states health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Implication of this statement is that mental health is more than just the absence of mental disorder or disabilities. Mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with normal stresses of life, and work productively and able to make a contribution to his or her own community or society. Mental health is fundamental to and uh, collective and individual ability as humans to think, emote, interact with each other, earn a living, and enjoy life. On this basis, the promotion, protection, and restoration of mental health can be regarded as a vital concern of individual, community, and society throughout the world. Multiple social, psychological, and biological factors determine the level of mental health of a person or individual at a point of time, like violence and persistence, socio-economic pressures. Socioeconomic pressures are recognized risks to mental health. Poor mental health is also associated with rapid social change, stressful work condition, gender discrimination, social exclusion, unhealthy lifestyle, physical ill health, and human right violations. There are specific psychological and personality factors that make people vulnerable to normal health problems. Mental health promotion involves action that improves psychological well-being. This may involve creating an environment. This may help creating an environment that supports mental health, and an environment that respects and protects basic civil, socio-economic, and cultural rights is fundamental. Fundamental should be concerned both with mental disorders, policies should be concerned both with mental disorder and with broader and with broader issues that promotes mental health. Mental health promotions should be mainstreamed. Mental health issues should be mainstreamed into governmental and non-governmental policies and programs. In addition to health sector, it is essential to involve education, justice, environment, uh, mm, environment, housing, and welfare sectors. In the context of national efforts to develop and national efforts to develop and implement mental health policies, it is vital just not only to protect and promote the mental well-being of the citizen, but also to address the need of persons with defined mental disorders. A range of effective measures also exist for the prevention of suicide, uh, for the prevention and treatment of mental disorders, prevention prevention and treatment of dementia, and treatment of substance use disorder. Depression is a mental or mood disorder. It's important to realize that feeling down at times is normal part of life. Sad and upsetting events happen to everyone, but if an individual or if an individual or anyone feeling down or hopeless on a regular basis, uh, on a regular basis, then you dealt with depression, and depression causes sadness and or a loss of interest in activities once you enjoyed. If if we look back if we look back a year back, COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown has brought about a sense of fear, uh, and anxiety around the globe. This phenomenon has led to short-term as well as long-term uh, mental psychological disorder and implication for the population. Even before the COVID-19 crisis, behavioral health problems such as anxiety, stress, and depression were widespread. Constituting a leading cause of diminished well-being and exacting an enormous toll in the form of absenteeism, reduce productivity and increased healthcare costs. We should just support government in the goals of strengthening and providing mental health issues. And WHO evaluated evidence for WHO evaluated evidence for promoting mental health, and it's working with the government to disseminate this information and to integrate effective strategies into the policies and plans. So that's it from my presentation. This is Utsav signing off.